How to do a correction bolus on Omnipod 5 manual bolus entry tutorial. How to do a correction bolus on Omnipod 5. Open the Omnipod 5 app on your controller or compatible smartphone. Tap on the bolus option to launch the Smart Bolus calculator. If you want to deliver a correction bolus for high glucose, you can either 1. Tap Use Sensor to use your current sensor glucose value and trend for the correction calculation, or 2. Manually enter your blood glucose (BG) value by tapping the glucose field and entering your BG number. Enter the amount of carbohydrates you plan to eat in the carbs field if you are also delivering a meal bolus. For a pure correction bolus, you can leave this at 0. The Omnipod 5 Smart Bolus calculator will suggest a bolus dose based on your entered BG, carbs, insulin on board, and your personal settings: insulin to carb ratio, correction factor, target glucose. Review the suggested bolus dose carefully. You can tap Calculations to see how the dose was determined. Tap Confirm to accept the bolus dose. Tap Start to begin delivering the bolus. Wait until the green progress bar appears before moving the pod out of range of your device. If needed, you may cancel the bolus while it is delivering by tapping Cancel. Additional tips. It is ideal to bolus 10 to 20 minutes before eating to prevent high glucose spikes. Avoid re-entering glucose values if snacking or having a second helping. Just enter carbs to prevent insulin stacking. Correction boluses cannot be extended once started. Training with your healthcare provider is essential before using the system.